My dear learners, I welcome you to this session. Today we will discuss some word problems on chapter integers. It is basically grade 6 and 7th students. So let's get a start. On the screen you see, we go through the given question, right? Whatever written here, there is no matter, right? We will try to learn, right? The sum of two integers is minus 30. No problem. One of the integer is 15, right? So determine the other. And someone asks you what is the other number. To find the other number, right? Don't confuse. So start to write. First of all, we write solution. Then we write given, right? You see sum of two integers is equal to 30 written. So what we write? According to our question, that is minus 30. Clear? And next, one of the integer is 15. Here written minus 42. Our one integer given is 50. Clear? How can we write the statement? Then we write the other integer equal to sum of two integers minus one of the integer. Right? Then we put accordingly given in our question. Right? Accordingly we write the values. Right? So I have rubbed it. Now start. Cut it. Okay. We can erase or like this one. Okay. Ignore it. So start to write. Sum of two integer we have minus 30. Clear? And one of the integer we have plus 15. We can write plus and calculate it. Minus 30. Clear? Write first minus 30 and then plus minus minus. Recall the integers rule. We have 50, right? What would be the result? So result, we know very well, minus minus plus operation, but we will put minus sign, right? Operation will be plus, but we write minus because both integer containing minus sign and both are negative integer. So 30 plus 15 you know very well, that is 45. And here in the last, what can we write? In last we write the other integer is minus 45. Someone asks, sir, can we write the other number is that? You write, but we are discussing chapter integer, so it is write integer. It is appropriate to write integer. Okay. So next question on your screen, my dear learners. The difference of an integer a is and minus 13 is minus 4. You go through the question which I am reading here. Find the value of a, right? So what change is required? But a statement same. You see here. Here is not x, here is not minus 6, here is not minus 5. So we write same statement but value will change. Okay. First we write solution, then we write given, then we write difference between an integer a and minus 13 is means equal we write -4. To find what? Value of a, right? So we write for a, the value of a, and someone write here according to question, right? And or we can write here according to above statement which we have written, right? So you can write like this one. So here we will do this one. According to our question, we write a minus and what written here is -4, no my dear. So what we write? Here is -30. So we write -30. And here is right, here written -4. So we write -4. Calculate it, you know very well. You have learned in class 6 equation. Here is equation formed according to the question. So go forward. We write here a and recall the rules of the integers, minus minus plus. So we write here -13 equal to -4. Transpose the constant value, here is the 13. So we find -4 and it will be transferred to the right hand side of the equal. It's become negative integer. Here is the positive integer, it's transposed to the right hand side, it's become negative integer. So you know very well the minus minus plus operation, but we write negative sign because we are adding negative integers. So 13 plus 4, that 17. So I hope that you understand, right? What main things we keep in mind while we are solving the problem. So in the last we can write for a equal to -17, right? So we can write here the value of a is -70, right? I hope that you have understand. The next question here for submarine, right? It is very important. A submarine was 5,827 meter below sea level, right? If it ascends 2,200 meter, what is its on position or now position or new position, right? Someone have to write here. Start. You see here is the picture. It is a sea level and marine is below it. That distance is, you know very well, that is a 5,827, and its ascent from here, you see ascends from here, you see ascends means plus, right? That is plus. It ascends 2,200 meter, right? Like this this way we can understand, right? So first of all we write solution, then we write the values with a statement. A submarine position below sea level, that is 5,827 meter. It ascends 2,200 meter. So now a submarine position equal to what we will do. Now the position, now a submarine position, we subtract it. The largest value 5,827 minus 2,200 meter, right? It is required to write. So we get 3,627 meter. Means we always take, suppose it is the sea level or below the sea level we take the negative integer, and above the sea level we take the positive integer. It will be seen in the next question or next session, right? So now the next and other way, how can we write and try to be understand, right? I think that we are very attentive. So let's see now what can we show you here, right? You see, it is our according to the question, it is our picture, and we are able to understand, right? So you see, how can you write a submarine from the below the sea level? This is your sea level, right? Sea level, right? And submarine floating under the water, right? That distance is 5,827 meter. I have said that you will take the negative if the floating submarine below sea level, that is negative. So start. What can we write for that? First of all, you draw the figure and then write. Solution you write, and write initial position of submarine. You will take the minus, that is 5,827 meter. Distance ascend by submarine, you will take plus 2,200 meter. Then we go through the rule of the integers. The new position of submarine now, you see, you write this one 5,827 meter, and then write you 2020 meter, 2200 meter. Plus minus operation will be plus or minus, and sign will be the greatest value, right? So we subtract it, we get 3627 meter, and we put the negative sign, and the negative sign indicating us we can write or we can tell the submarine now after ascending, that is 3627 meter below sea level. Or when we write the minus 3627 meter, then anyone will understand because you are doing the integers chapter, right? So it is helpful for you, and I hope that it will help you. And my dears, thank you for watching, right? Have a nice day, all of you. That's it for today. Thank you.